welcome to another new product from IPA. This is the 8055 three-piece innovative blowgun set. The first piece in the set is the BlowBack Gun. The BlowBack Gun features a blowgun handle, high-quality anodized aluminum tube with 360-degree airflow out the sides, but also airflow right out the tip. And what this is great for is cleaning head bolt holes. If you want to blow out a combustion chamber, anywhere where you're doing work and dirt and debris falls inside of a pocket and you need to get it out. So the BlowBack Gun is really fantastic for guys that are doing engine work or just general automotive repair, because you're always running into that. Even body shop, where you have like a panel and you need to get a bunch of junk out of a hard to reach area, the BlowBack Gun is great for that as well. The second piece in the kit is the Airbender. The Airbender is simple in concept, but it's actually extremely versatile. If you think about it, you have airflow fully ported at a swept 90-degree angle. So what that allows you to do is, if you're holding an engine part, for example, you're going to blow it out and it keeps the blowback away from your body in a very comfortable feel. But also what's unique about this is when you're getting into hard to access areas, the bent 90-degree angle really allows you to kind of snake in and around tubes and harnesses or just around a corner. You'll find that this blowgun is so versatile, it ends up being your go-to in the shop. It really is great. And the third piece in the set is the air scraper. The air scraper features a hardened and sharpened stainless steel tip and a stainless steel tube, so it's very strong. You can use it as a blowgun, or you can just use it as a scraper, but also it's a air scraper. So when you pull the trigger, the air comes out of the air ports that are located on the slope of the scraper tip. And what's unique about that, and the reason it helps you in the shop, is as you're scraping that gasketed surface, let the knife edge lift up the material, but as you pull the trigger, the air will get under that material and help lift and blow it away. So it really does speed up the process when you're scraping gaskets or just descaling rust and all types of stuff like that. So check out these products. We appreciate your time in watching the video, and as always, we appreciate your business. Thank you.